Let's make beer chili. Start by dicing an onion. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Add the onions and sauté. Throw in some minced garlic. Next, add some ground beef. Break up the meat and cook until it's no longer pink. Then add your spices. Stir the spices to coat the beef. Add diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, some pumpkin beer, and Worcester sauce. Stir in a can of black beans and a can of kidney beans. Let the chili simmer for about 20 minutes. Enjoy!